Ismael is our guide this morning. He's the operator as well. You excited, baby?
Yep.
Nervous?
Not too.
Yeah.
I think I'm excited.
Yeah. I know, I'm like a little dilly nervous. A beautiful morning. Wind's up a tiny bit now, but it should be good.
Fishing in front of someone else.
This is Ismael, our guide here. How long have you been in guiding for?
Well, I was guiding like for 20 years.
20 years?
I started learning, bird watching.
Yeah.
And then I learned, and then for accidente, there was not many bird watchers. So one guy asked me if there is tarpon, so I know where they are. But I never knew about fly fishing.
No, not till then, eh?
And I tried to use the rod. I never knew it was expensive.
Yes.
And the guy wasn't that happy. But then he saw that I was interested. He said use it. I remember it was a sage. So what I just couldn't make it. Wow. So honestly, it takes me like 2 years to learn how to fly cast. Because I didn't have my fire rod, right? I only use it when there is some beat.
Bore rod, yeah.
Yeah, so now I really like it. Now I can see some tarpon already.
Oh,
so
stuff.
Better get your rod ready.
Hey.
Okay, Brent on his first cast. For a tarpon. They're raising.
Recap?
Yeah. We cast 1 to 12. 1 to 12 as far as you can. 1 to 12. That's 2. That's 2.
That's 2. Where am I?
The wind. Really. It's too light. There's one. There's one right there. Cast right to it.
Okay, wait. Slow. Slow is 3. No, very slow.
Oh!
Don't do that.
Ah, pulled up. I think I broke it off.
No.
He's gone.
Gone?
Yes. Shit. Broke or slipped. Looks like.
Yeah, you jumped him.
Yes.
At the same time he was jumping.
But obviously my knot wasn't very good, but it's not. Shit.
Oh, he has the fly.
Oh, shit. Dangers. Obviously I stuck the hook in good enough. Here we are, we popped in the mangroves. We had to go exchange boats because his trim wouldn't work on the other one. And we need, we're in shallow water here, so.
So quiet. Down in the water. In the mangroves. Just going with poles for now to get through. Wow, this is just hard to believe that this is real right now. How far is this is actually so cool. Okay, now we are really in the mangroves. This is very, very cool tunnel that we have to go through.
Hanging up in the water.
That's something running from the bush to get us. Eek.
Oh, there's one here. Where are you going, buddy?
Oh, there he is.
Okay, perfect, perfect. Can you see them? Okay, let it go. Perfect, perfect.
Strip,
Strip, strip. Here's coming. Okay, sit.
You have it, you have it, you have it.
There's 3 of them there, babe. Just put it right back in there. Okay, perfect.
You have it.
Yeah, he took it.
She said,
Give that a yank. Oh.
Here they come. Yes. Harder. Don't let it go there. Back up.